a 10,000-mile data cable crossing the Arctic, a hydrogen plant that could replace fossil fuels, and a massive coastal road transforming Mumbai. These are just a few of the hidden mega projects set to change the way we live, work, and travel. These incredible engineering projects are happening right now, and most people don't even know about them. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 groundbreaking projects making waves in 2025 that no one is talking about yet. Number 5. NEOM's hidden infrastructure, the city beneath the city. Saudi Arabia's futuristic city, NEOM, is famous for its ambitious designs. But what many people don't know is that some of its most revolutionary features will be underground. By 2025, NEOM will make significant progress on its hidden infrastructure, including utility tunnels, high-speed transit systems, and underground waste management. But why build all this underground? Well, by moving these important infrastructure below ground, NEOM's designers are saving the surface for green spaces, walkable neighborhoods, and solar farms. These designs also make the city more efficient by reducing energy loss and protecting systems from the extreme desert heat in Saudi Arabia. So, how does this all work? A key part of this underground network is called the spine. This is a high-speed rail system running the entire length of NEOM. Engineers are using equipment called boring machines, which are massive drills that cut through rock and soil to create tunnels. These tunnels are then lined with a material called shotcrete, a type of sprayed concrete that hardens quickly and makes the tunnels structurally stable. Fun fact: the spine's high-speed rail will allow residents to travel from one end of NEOM to the other in just 20 minutes, which is a distance of over 105 miles or 170 kilometers. Number 4. The Mumbai Coastal Road Project, a new era of urban mobility. Mumbai, India's bustling financial center, is famous for its traffic jams. Enter the Mumbai Coastal Road Project, a 13.7-mile or 22-kilometer freeway designed to reduce traffic, protect the coastline from erosion, and create new open spaces for the public to enjoy. A huge portion of this project is going to be constructed in 2025 and is scheduled to be completed by 2026. The project uses some impressive engineering ideas. Parts of the road will be built on stilts, which are strong, reinforced concrete columns anchored deep into the seabed. These stilts let water flow underneath, which will help protect the environment. This project includes tunnels carved through rock that are made using similar boring machines to the ones being used in Saudi Arabia. Also, artificial islands with parks and green areas and advanced drainage systems to stop flooding during Mumbai's heavy monsoon rains will be built. So, why does this project matter? Well, the coastal road will cut commute times in half for millions of residents, saving fuel, reducing emissions, and improving quality of life. Fun fact, by saving drivers an estimated 70 million hours of commute time annually, the Mumbai Coastal Road Project is giving Mumbai back the equivalent of 8,000 years of time each year. Number 3. The Gordie Howe International Bridge, strengthening borders. Named after the legendary Canadian hockey player, the Gordie Howe International Bridge is set to connect Detroit, USA and Windsor, Canada by 2025. This bridge will be one of the largest international infrastructure projects in North America, designed to improve trade and travel between the two countries. The Gordie Howe Bridge is 1.5 miles or 2.5 kilometers long and is a type of cable-stayed bridge. This means its road is held up by strong steel cables anchored to tall towers. These cables are made of special high-strength steel that can hold thousands of tons of weight. The project also includes state-of-the-art border facilities on both sides to make sure custom checks are faster and more efficient for goods and travelers. So, why is this bridge so important? This bridge will carry over 30% of all trade between the US and Canada, making it one of the most important connections for both countries' economies. Fun fact, the Gordie Howe Bridge is designed to last 125 years, which means it will still be standing long after many of today's vehicles are obsolete. Number 2. The Far North Fiber Subsea Cable, connecting the digital world. Beneath the icy waters of the Arctic Ocean, a massive subsea cable project called Far North Fiber is set to revolutionize global internet connectivity. Spanning over 10,000 miles or 16,000 kilometers, this cable will connect Europe, Asia, and North America and will provide faster, more secure internet access to regions often left behind in the digital world. This project is going to make huge construction progress in 2025 and is scheduled to be up and running by 2026. So, how will this whole system work? Subsea cables are bundles of thin glass fibers called fiber optic strands, wrapped in protective materials. These fibers carry data using pulses of light, letting information travel almost as fast as the speed of light. The Far North Fiber cable will go through the freezing Arctic, where sea ice and extreme cold are going to make building it extra challenging. To make sure the cable lasts, it will be covered with strong steel armor and a special waterproof coating to keep it safe. The extra cool thing is that this cable will make the internet faster for millions of people by reducing latency, which is the delay in sending and receiving data. Faster internet means smoother video calls, quicker downloads, and better performance for online games. Fun fact, the Far North Fiber cable will provide such low latency that it could allow stock traders in Asia to execute trades milliseconds faster than their competitors in Europe or North America. And finally, number 1, the Suez Canal Green Hydrogen Plant, a clean energy revolution. In Egypt's Suez Canal zone, a bold renewable energy project is taking shape. In 2025, the region will be working on one of the largest green hydrogen production facilities in the world. This facility is set to position Egypt as a global leader in clean energy and sustainability. Now, what exactly is green hydrogen? Hydrogen is often called the fuel of the future because it can power everything from cars to homes. But producing hydrogen usually involves fossil fuels, which release carbon emissions. However, green hydrogen is produced using a process called electrolysis. This process splits water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity made from renewable sources like wind and solar power. The Suez Canal plant will depend on nearby solar farms and wind turbines to power this electrolysis process to make sure it's entirely sustainable. So, why does this green hydrogen plant matter so much? And why is it the top mega engineering project making strides in 2025? Well, green hydrogen could take the place of fossil fuels in industries that are hard to make eco-friendly, like airplanes and factories that make heavy machinery. This project could help lower the amount of carbon dioxide released into the air around the world. A project this big can help to reduce global warming to protect the future of our planet. Fun fact, the Suez Canal hydrogen plant will generate enough green hydrogen each year to fill over 10,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the top lesser-known engineering projects that are set to hit big milestones in 2025. These projects combine creativity, innovation, and problem-solving to take on some of the world's biggest problems. They may not be grabbing headlines just yet, but their impact will be felt for generations. Which one of these projects impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to check out our other videos and remember to like and subscribe to our channel because engineering is for everyone.